I'm Tom. I work on the customer experience team at MPB. My current setup is a Pentax K1 and a Pentax LX 35mm. My dream kit would probably be something medium format like the Pentax 645Z. Upgrading to medium format would give me a better dynamic range for what my current setup does, and I think as I prioritise that over portability, that's the sort of thing I'd go for. So at uni I was doing a lot of large format analogue work using 5.4 camera. I looked at Jem Southam and Gossage as references. I was really into their large format work. Keith Arnatt's work as well. Areas of outstanding natural beauty was one project that I really got into as well. I've been to New Zealand quite a few times. I've shot around the North Island, but I'd probably want to go to the South Island, probably around the Southern Alps. Close to home as well, going up to Scotland, Shetland Islands, as well as the Isle of Skye as well. I'd quite like to go there to shoot. Eventually I'd like to be selling prints, my work. I guess that would be the ultimate aim.